Hey guys, this is BrianB again, back with a daily recap. I'm with Bear Bulls Traders. Um, it's a great community, Bear Bulls Traders. Andrew's a great teacher. If you hadn't checked us out, you need to come on over and check us out. It's a good community, great group of moderators. They're there in the mornings. They're there during the day. Andrew comes on about 9 o'clock after Carlos does his pre-market. And Andrew comes on, does his trading when he's done, and we got a great group of moderators that stick around throughout the day and help all the people in the community with their trades and any questions they have. So if you hadn't checked out Bear Bulls Traders, you need to come on over and do so. I wanted to go over. I didn't have a bad day today. I mean, I had a pretty decent day. If you see, notice here on the account. Obviously, this, don't look at this bottom one, that's the demo account. I was messing around with some hotkeys, but had a pretty good, decent day on the other account. With my small account, GSK got stopped out on it. It didn't work out, but I wanted to go over this MRIN trade where I made $110 on it. It could have been it wasn't a bad trade as far as the execution. What I did wrong is I kind of let one of my old demons, what I call my trading demon, that's haunted me in the past, come back and get me again. If you look here on the 1 minute, this thing's been gapping up all day. I mean, the past few days it's been gapping up. It's a low float. I don't typically trade low floats, especially when I'm dealing with a small account. But I saw an opportunity. I thought I saw a good opportunity, which I did. But what happened is it pushed up to start with this morning, came back down. I was looking for it to come here and set up a little bull flag right here and then go. But it ended up coming back down a little bit further than anticipated. But once it popped back up here to this VWAP, it did set up, if you look at the 5 minute, it set up this little ABCD pattern. You got A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, and then C down here. So I said I was going to get in. I tried to get in a little bit earlier, anticipating this move here, because I was looking at the asks and that there's building. I mean, the ask was kind of getting eat up. The bids were building, and I, based on the past few days, I just anticipated this thing to move, and I kind of jumped in a little bit too soon, right there. And not only did I jump in a little bit too soon, I jumped in with more shares, starter shares, than what I would like to on this small account. I jumped in with 1,000 shares right there. Then when it pulled back, it's instead of me getting out where I should have, this was my risk. I should have just got out with the 1,000 shares and started over. I didn't get out. I jumped and I added to my position with another 1,000 shares. So now I'm double my position that I typically would like to do on this account, with this account and this size of a stock, low float. So now I'm already nervous. Like I said, the trading demons kicked in on me, so now I'm nervous, and I was watching this thing steady. Started consolidating a little bit. It was looking good on the level 2 and the tape. It was looking good, but with me being nervous, and like I said, my little trading demon was already kicked in. My mental state was not good. As soon as it gave me a profit, I got out. I didn't even think about the trade. I forgot about the trade, and I forgot about the setup. I didn't look at this over here where I had a good A, a good B, and a good C. The tape was getting good. The level 2 was getting good. Because of my mental state, because of me getting in too soon, and because of me taking too big of a share size, I was already done as far as being able to think this thing through properly. If I would have just not got in right here, waited for this pullback, waited for it to touch this previous support, it keeps bouncing around, but that's previous support, and then seeing this confirmation of this ABCD pattern, A, B, C, got in right here with a starter share, and then I could have added to it. Once it broke here, I could have added here, and then look at what this thing did the rest of the day. I mean, I'm sure everybody knows this thing just ballooned up. I mean, it just skyrocketed all the way up here, still at 10. So because of me breaking some of my rules, this thing could have been a huge winner for me. I could have got in with a starter, like I said, added here, and then it took off as it just kept on going up. But instead, I broke my rules. I let my little trading demon get me, and then luckily I got out with $110. So I just wanted to go over that. Like I said, I didn't have a bad day. Don't look at this bottom here. That's messing around on the demo account with some hotkeys. That's the demo down here. This TR. So I ended up with about $277 on the account. So anyway, that's my trade for the day. Thank y'all.